Do you hear a loud clicking noise coming from your engine bay, or feel like your vehicle has lost its punch when you try to accelerate? If your scanner is showing the code P0663, you are dealing with an intake manifold tuning valve control circuit open on bank 2. This sounds complicated, but let us break it down. Your engine has a component often called a flapper valve or tuning valve inside the intake manifold. Its job is to regulate airflow and pressure, changing the path the air takes to get into the engine depending on how fast you are driving. This helps you get better performance and fuel economy. The code P0663 means the engine control module has detected an electrical break or a general fault in the circuit that controls this valve on bank 2. Bank 2 is simply the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. This valve is often made of plastic, and because it lives in a very hot environment under the hood, it is prone to cracking, melting, or just getting stuck, especially in extreme cold weather. Symptoms usually include a check engine light, poor fuel economy, trouble starting the car when it is cold, and that distinct clicking sound I mentioned earlier. Diagnosing this starts with a visual check. Locate the tuning valve, which is usually mounted on the intake manifold. Check the wiring harness for any signs of melting, chafing, or corrosion, as these wires run through very hot areas. If the wiring looks okay and you have an advanced scanner, you might be able to command the valve to open and close. Listen for it. If you hear it clicking excessively or not moving at all while you command it, the valve is likely broken or obstructed. You may need to remove the valve to check for carbon buildup or broken plastic pieces blocking it. If there is debris, clean it out. If the valve is physically broken, you will need to replace the intake manifold tuning valve unit. Since this can involve removing parts of the intake, if you are not experienced with engine mechanical work, it is best to take this to a shop, as you do not want loose plastic pieces falling into your engine cylinders. Fix this promptly to restore your power and gas mileage.